Step one of testing the central boiler water quality is to remove a quart of water through the sight glass just to make sure it is not contaminated. Remove the cap. Open the valve. And then I'll have to bend the tube over to obviously get the coolant or the water to run out into my quart jar. I had to remove that hose clamp that attaches the sight glass to the boiler, and then as you can see, I've bent the tube over and I'm running out the quart of water. I'll simply close that valve, or actually I'll just release the tube when I'm done with this quart, and then I'll draw the first sample. Just coming up on a quart here. And I'll just release the tube. And there's my quart. Okay, this first sample is going to be for the pH test. I've already done that by meter, but I'll do it again with the strips. And so the volume here is not too important. I'll just draw some off and take it in and test it, and then come back and draw off the sample for the nitrate test. Should be good to go for the pH test. Okay, so here we are in front of the test kit. We're looking in the treated water for between 8 and 9.5 pH. So I'll just dip it. It looks like we're going to be good. Lay it down next to my test strip. I know the background's green, but clearly you can see the green of the test strip is between the 8 and 9. So we're good on pH. Next stop, the nitrate test. Now I'm ready to perform the nitrate test. I collected more than 25 milliliters and then poured off to the 25 milliliter line on the test cylinder. So now I will add the 25 drops of sulfuric acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I did go back on super slow-mo to make sure I added 25 drops of the sulfuric acid. I was moving a bit quickly. Now it's time to titrate in the permanganate reagent until the color of the water with the sulfuric acid in it turns to a persistent light pink. We want that number of drops to be greater than 20. I'm guessing it's going to be low because I added 4 baseboards to the system and pushed a lot of fill water through the system to get those baseboards filled. So I'm guessing we're going to be low, but that's why we're doing the test. Supposed to hold the dropper perfectly vertical, so the droplet size is correct. It's drop number 3. Again, we're looking for that persistent pink color change. $19. The pink color has to persist for at least a minute. Boy, that's close. It didn't persist for a minute though. That's 20. It's looking pretty pink, right at 20. Okay, the pink color has persisted for well over a minute. That was 20 drops of the permanganate reagent. Excuse me. And the owner's manual says, quote, after initial treatment, the maintenance nitrite level target is 15 drops by nitrite test, but 15 to 30 drops is acceptable, period. 1 drop of permanganate reagent equals approximately 100 parts per million, period. Quote, close quote. So I'm good at 20, surprisingly. And we'll go from there. I'm a little low on boiler water right now, so since the 30 is the top end, I might add a little bit of the corrosion inhibitor, but I've yet to make that decision. Thanks for watching.